read it correctly. AI is impacting your job and everybody else's jobs. AI's integration into our daily lives is similar to the evolution of phones from basic devices to indispensable tools. In this video, we will share 3 key questions you need to ask yourself in order to assess AI's impact on your job. And stick around until the end, as we will reveal the one crucial action you absolutely need to take in order to assess AI's impact on your job. So, why are so many people concerned about AI's impact on jobs?
Well, the concerns about AI's impact of jobs stems from various studies that have shown that AI is poised to have an impact on every industry and every job. According to a study by Goldman Sachs, about 25% of the tasks in the US can be automated by AI. And as AI technology continues to advance rapidly, this impact is only going to grow larger. We are witnessing an acceleration of the trend that started about a decade ago. I see 3 trends which are driving AI's impact on jobs. First, AI being a general purpose technology similar to electricity or internet is set to have a profound impact on all industries, all jobs. AI is being integrated into products and research across all industries, driving a new wave of automation. Secondly, AI is progressing faster than any other technology that we have witnessed before. Generative AI in particular has accelerated the adoption of AI and the innovation in tools, technologies, and ecosystems. The speed and scale of learning in AI is unprecedented. Thirdly, AI isn't limited to large language models like ChatGPT. There are numerous other fields where generative AI holds the promise of significant disruptions. Foundation models, the technology behind ChatGPT, enables AI to learn from vast, complex data on its own, with applications ranging from healthcare, natural sciences, to biotech. In essence, we are barely scratching the surface of the potential of AI.
Can you speak more about the type and extent of these impacts?
Certainly. The impact of AI on jobs can be both negative and positive. We will witness job losses in certain sectors, and then we will see new kinds of jobs, much like what we happened in the last century. For perspective, 60% of today's jobs did not even exist before 1940. The nature and extent of the AI's impact will vary by industry and job. Researchers often analyze the impact on jobs as bundles of tasks and determine the level of exposure on each task. The tasks with high exposure to AI can be replaced by AI. For tasks with partial exposure to AI, AI will augment humans. For example, a radiologist's job involves several tasks, only some of which can be automated by AI. In the world of software, AI is now able to explain code and write documentation for a code which was only possible manually before. This is why you often hear about co-pilot kind of tools which will assist humans. All of this will lead to higher productivity, which will change the descriptions of the jobs that we all do. New roles, tasks, and business processes will be created due to AI, similar to how e-commerce brought about new roles. Importantly, new developments with AI will create opportunities for both technical and non-technical roles.
Let us know in the comments section below if your job is impacted either positively or negatively by the increasing use of AI. So we've discussed the impact of AI on various industries and jobs, but as a viewer, I would like to know, how can I assess the impact of AI on my job?
While I can't assess the impact of AI on every job, I can give you a framework that you can apply to your job and assess for yourself. I can provide you with some key questions, and please be honest with answering these questions. Question number 1, how much of my work is repetitive or routine? Start by assessing the tasks associated with your job and see if these tasks are repetitive or routine, such as creating a report, cleaning a spreadsheet, and doing other kind of work which can easily be replaced by AI. Question number 2, what unique value do you add to your task? If you're doing things which require decision making, interacting with people, complex interactions, then you're adding value to your job and you are in a good spot. But if you're doing any of the repetitive tasks that we talked about, then you need to worry about the impact of AI on your job. And question number 3, regardless of the answers that you provided to question number 1 and 2, you need to think about, ask yourself, how can I add more value?
Are there job roles or tasks that AI cannot automate?
These could be social skills, working with teams, complex decisions, taking care of people, or skilled trade work.
What's the most important factor that we did not discuss yet regarding AI's impact on jobs?
The most crucial aspect that we haven't discussed so far is that AI may not completely replace you, but the person using AI effectively is likely to replace you. In essence, if you don't harness AI to your advantage, you're more likely to be replaced by someone who's using AI effectively.
So what do you recommend?
To thrive in the age of AI, you need to go beyond just using the tools. You need AI literacy. You should know enough about AI to understand its strengths and weaknesses so that you can know where AI is really powerful or where it poses some risks. But remember, it's not about becoming an AI expert. You want to know AI at a high level. The challenge is that AI technology is advancing rapidly, so you need to be flexible. You need to be ready to learn new skills. Lifelong learning becomes essential, and it does not matter what your role is. You could be a board member, you could be a line manager, or somewhere in between. This advice applies to everyone.
So a lot to digest here. Some key takeaways, folks. Number one, AI will impact every single job. Number two, ask yourself and honestly respond to the three questions that we mentioned. Question number one, how much of my job is repetitive? Question number two, what unique value do I bring? Question number three, how can I add more value to my job? Keep in mind, you may not be replaced by AI, but you may most likely be replaced by someone who is using AI. So learn about AI, learn about how it works, what are AI's limitations, and how you can use it to your advantage. Well, thanks for sharing your insights with us today.
Sure, and to our viewers, if you found this video useful and interesting, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts and comments in the section below.
We will be back with some more exciting content soon, so don't forget to ring that bell.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.